This recording will discuss how we can calculate beta using Excel. So first, let's go to Yahoo Finance. And suppose I want to calculate beta for Zillow. So there's Zillow, or just Z. So from the Yahoo data, we click on historical data. We're going to do 5 years worth of monthly data. Historical process is fine, and apply it. I will now download this data and open this up. So with this data, what we need to do, so I'll zoom in a little bit here. I'm going to get rid of everything except the adjusted close. This will be called Z. And we need the returns. So to calculate that, that will be current divided by previous minus 1. Send that down. And now I need the market. So there's a couple of different tickers we could use. We could do GSPC. For this one, let's try SPY. This is an ETF trust of it's a Spider S&P 500, so this one will work too. So I'm going to go to historical data. We'll do the same thing, 5 years, historical prices, monthly, apply. And then we will download. Open this up. All right, so we need to do the same view. So we'll do the same thing, get rid of everything but the adjusted close. So equal current divided by the previous minus 1. Set this down and copy it into the other Excel file. And when you copy it, make sure that we paste just the values. All right, so here we have Z, here we have the spider. So now there's a couple of different ways you can go about it. We could just calculate the beta using the slope function. So the Y's in this case will be the market, or excuse me, the company. So that should be your beta 1.34. We can check and see it should be at least greater than 1. So if I go back to Zillow with Yahoo, we can see that they have a beta of 1.47, and we got a beta of 1.35, so not too far away. The other way you could do this is doing a regression analysis. So once again, the dependent variable is the firm, the independent variable is the market. I'll include labels here. And when you do this, we'll get this, you look at the coefficient that's here, that's the beta. And it's t-stats greater than 2, so that's good. It means it's statistically significant. So those are a couple of ways you can use Yahoo Finance data to calculate the beta for yourself of a company.